Your smartphone is more than just a gaming machine with a camera. So let's not waste any time and get right into this. Hopefully these tips will boost your productivity, and if you have any thoughts, questions, or recommendations, please do leave them in the comment section below, as we love to read them. Alright, we're gonna start with back tap first. Now, did you know you can get a head start on your productivity by simply setting up commands that can be activated by double tapping or triple tapping the back of your phone? This feature is called back tap, and it was introduced to iOS 14, I believe. To do this, let's open Settings, go to Accessibility, and click on Touch. Now scroll down and select back tap. Here you can set up the double tapping and triple tapping feature. Start with double tap first. Now you can see a list of actions you can link to this shortcut. For example, let's say your daily tasks involve a lot of usage of the flashlight. Then you can select flashlight, and when you double tap, you can turn it on and off. Or you can set it to mute, notification center, take screenshots with it, use it as the scroll up or scroll down function, or even use it to take a break. If you're not sure, just play around with this and see what works best for you. Screen layout. Okay, fixing up my screen layout definitely helped me a lot with my productivity and focus. What I have done is set up different pages for different times of the day. So I have a general app page, my productive or work page, and my fun page. So I set up the general page as my first page, which gives me the basic information I need from the weather, calendar, and some news. And the apps on this page are the ones that I might have to use throughout the day, regardless of what I'm doing. The second page is for my work and productivity. I do send a lot of emails, so I have a Gmail widget here, which lets me quickly start a new email, check my email, and do a fast search in my mail. Under it, I have my task list for the day, listing everything I need to do. Other than that, I have my communication apps, file management, stock, health and fitness, utilities, numbers, and etc. If I have a lot of work to do, I stay on this page, and you won't see me swiping to the third page. This strategy helps me a lot. The third page is for my social media apps and other apps like Amazon, Discord, Uber, and maybe some games. Since I do create and manage YouTube videos on the side, it's understandable to see me use that app quite a bit. And there is also one more page after this, which I put all the leftovers that I might have to use at random times, such as banking, tips, shortcuts, and etc. One thing you may have also noticed is that I have a simple background. Instead of a game or someone shooting a fireball or an anime, keeping it simple and plain means less distraction. You can of course change it at different times by using the focus mode, which I will be getting into later on this video.
No. Google Drive. With your account, you can get 15 gigabytes of storage, which is shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. I know that there are a lot of alternatives and that you might prefer something else, but personally, I use the Google Drive app as a portal. You can view your files either in list view or as thumbnails, and you can upload your new files, share them, mark them. I only wish you didn't need other apps to actually edit some files or to create new ones. When I want to edit a file, it's not fun that I have to download separate apps and switch between them. It would be nice if it could all be done in one app, like the Office app. Undo an error with 3 fingers. Speaking of emails and typing, Keep in mind that if you make a mistake when typing in a document or email, you can swipe 3 fingers to the left, which will undo the action. And if you undo by mistake, you can just swipe to the right to redo. The little bubble on the top will tell you what you're doing as well. Another way of doing this is to single tap 3 fingers on the screen, and you will see a menu, including the undo button, as well as the redo button, appear at the top of your display. I mostly use the 3 finger swipe myself, unless I need to undo or redo a lot back.
Now for the very annoying app review request pop-ups. When you are working and trying to focus, you don't want to see random pop-ups from every app asking you to rate them or leave a review. You can stop that by disabling the app review request. To do this, go to your settings, then App Store, and turn off in-app rating and reviews. And yes, it does say that your feedback helps developers and other users trying to guilt trip you. But you know what? You can always turn it back on or manually leave a review when you have time. Just like how you're about to give this video a thumbs up too, I hope. Now for sharing screenshots. So you've come across an important image, document, or web page, and you want to quickly share it with your friends and colleagues. The quickest way to do this is to take the screenshot, and once you see it on the bottom left, just tap it. Now I'm going to do a quick crop. Highlight the important parts. Put an arrow here. And maybe a smiley face over here. Now press the share button on the top right and you can now rename it to the relevant topic and then send it out. You can also see other options to save it, print it, and etc. So now we have Screen Time widget. The Screen Time widget helps by showing you how you are spending your time. The goal here is to motivate you to use your phone less, especially if, for example, you use it a lot for gaming and social media, unless they are part of your work. As you can see, mine can definitely improve as well. I recommend using this widget to set yourself a goal for different usages. Give yourself some limits when it comes to gaming and other things, just like when dealing with a child, and this way you will bring more satisfaction in your own life and productivity. But do leave some leisure time aside for yourself as well. After all, it's all about balance. Now we have focus mode. When you are trying to boost your productivity, the less distractions you have, the better. So if you don't want to be bothered with notifications when you should be working or studying, your iPhone has a focus feature you can use as well. Here's how to set up your own custom focus mode on your iPhone. Open your settings, select focus, tap the plus button on the top right corner of your screen, and select the focus mode you want to create. Let's choose to create custom focus mode. Here you will enter a name for your custom mode and choose the color and icon that you want to see. Now here you can choose the people you want to receive notifications from. And over here you can select the apps you want to receive notifications from. Under it you can choose a different lock screen or home screen page to turn on with this setting as well. You can also turn on the smart activation to have this setting turn on automatically at a set time or location or while using certain apps. Now, to turn on the new focus mode you just created, open the control center on your iPhone, tap focus, and select that focus mode. Easy.
This device, just like many others, is an operating system with different layers. We might see it as a gaming machine at times, but if we look around a bit, we can find a whole new world of useful features that'll help boost our productivity.
And now hopefully you have a better idea on how to do that for yourself. Adopting the right smartphone habits can help you boost your productivity and help you get more out of your day. These tips should help you make simple changes to your smartphone habits that will significantly impact your overall productivity. As mentioned, if you have any thoughts or recommendations on what works for you, please do leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.